I'm gonna try something here. I'm gonna do a video. Maybe I can put this with the one that come up before it got interrupted. I am inside the Santa train. Okay. I mean, this is really awesome.
I was worried about getting in here.
But yeah. Imagine this. Goes out a little bit more. Seat separate on both sides. That's about kind of the ride I had. They're about a little bit bigger. Look at that. Presents.
Take a picture? No, you're not? Okay, come on.
Can I put y'all on my YouTube channel? This is Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus. After they do the pictures, I want to ask Santa if he has anything he would like to say to all the kids out there who's probably going to be watching this video. So, Mr. Claus, would you like to say anything to the kids out there?
Be good. We've seen you very, very soon. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too. Love the Christmas tree. This is really, really cool.
All right, you ready? Merry Christmas.
You guys get in here? Okay. I'm going to go outside here, but if you need any help,
Yeah, okay.
Mike's right here outside the door. If you need it, I'll be out here. They can holler at me anytime they need me, and I'll come out.
I'm Debbie. Okay.
I'm Sean.
There you go. Get your bag. Get your bag. Have a nice day. Merry Christmas to you too. Get on YouTube channels here. Merry Christmas to you too. The train stretches all the way down there. You got Buzz Lightyear, Fiona, Shrek down there. You got Minions. Hey Mickey. Mickey. Can I put you in my YouTube video? And anybody might know this character. Don't ask for Minnie's ass. She's probably at home making Christmas dinner. Okay. But yeah. It ain't every day I get this kind of view, is it? That's called my video selfie. Woohoo! Of course, I'm looking for Shrek. I don't, the Grinch. I don't see. Grinch is down there. Awesome. There's a Minion. Elsa, Anna, Olaf. Y'all on my YouTube channel. Hope you don't mind. I'm doing both actually. Gotcha. So, yeah, I got my own YouTube channel. I just figured, you know, let kids know that you guys do exist.
That's right. Merry Christmas.
Wait a minute.
Merry Christmas.
Wait a minute. You ain't got your glove on.
My what?
Your glove.
Oh, I know.
So I'm gonna take one more picture of these wonderful characters. I'm gonna be honest, guys. My favorite Disney movie is Frozen. Give me some peace signs. There you go. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. I got a YouTube channel. I'm trying to get more subscribers, and
Alright.
this is the first time seeing this. So y'all take it easy. Merry Christmas to you too.